ZyCoV-D is the latest vaccine approved for emergency use in India. It is an India-made vaccine which is manufactured by Zydus Cadila. This vaccine is to be given intradermally, and it is not clear whether it is to be given in 2 or 3 doses. What is shocking is that this vaccine has been approved for use in children between the age of 12 to 18 years. I haven't gone too deep into the details of this vaccine, but I can assure you, until now, most of the side effects are not well known.
ZyCoV-D is a DNA plasmid vaccine. As per my knowledge, DNA plasmids are usually used for gene therapy. So essentially, this is a new type of vaccine.
It is understandable why the authorities would like to push this vaccine to the younger age group in order to achieve herd immunity. But at what cost? I would like to put a few points across why this is a bad idea. Of course, this is me thinking out aloud. We do not have vast data available as to what the side effects of this vaccine are. As with the Pfizer vaccine, after a few months, it was discovered that it causes pericarditis and myocarditis, albeit rare, but it could happen in children as well. Therefore, after taking the Pfizer vaccine, it is advisable not to exercise strenuously for a few weeks after that. Try telling that to a teenager. From the previous data from the first and second wave of the pandemic, there is no evidence that children would be more affected than adults. This, however, does not mean that we should not be prepared for the third wave. So until now, from the first and second wave, we have ample data that the kids are likely not to get affected. Let us not take a random example of an unfortunate child who was severely comorbid, who unfortunately succumbed to the disease. There is always an exception to a rule. In India, until now, we have vaccinated merely 10% of the population with 2 doses. Wouldn't it then be more wise to concentrate on this older age group who are not yet vaccinated and are more vulnerable? Also, imagine the situation where the child goes for a vaccine. He has to go for 1, 2 or maybe 3 doses of this intradermal vaccine. Albeit intradermal, it still involves a needle which is injected just below the layer of the skin. The moment the child sees a needle, the child gets afraid, and the vaccination process is going to end up taking a lot more time than it would have taken for an adult. As far as for herd immunity is concerned, wouldn't it be possible for the child to acquire it through natural means, through mild infections? Remember, during some point of time in the second wave, a vast majority of adults were already infected, whether symptomatically or asymptomatically. The way I see this bullshit panning out for the kids, pardon the French, is either get vaccinated or no school for you. Get vaccinated or no exams for you. I had predicted this way back in March. If you would like to see that video, click here. Also, for my predictions of the third wave, click down below. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Like, subscribe, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.